work?
It's a cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo?
It's made in Germany, the Black Forest in Germany.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the fun things is, man, these people move here. I got into this as sort of the tail part of the hippie part of my life. I was living communally, driving school bus for a living, which is a great adventure, not freedom for an old man. And so each family I was in, I became the family mechanic. And Emily Griffith Opportunity School has a class in clock and watch repair that got me started. And so now when I get up in the morning, I have something to do each day. So I feel real fortunate I get to do this. Work on things like this that are important to people. You know, there's better ways to tell time. And this is part of the decor, part of the ambience she wants to create in her house. So it's important to me because it's important to her.